Hi. Oh wow, that was a weird tone. Hi. I was rehearsing in my head अभी तक मेरे को क्या क्या बोलना था and like how I wanted the flow of the vlog to be, but I've completely blanked out now. But welcome back to my channel, and I'm welcoming myself back with the camera after about 3 months of irregular vlogging and the clips that you guys never really saw. So I thought I'll come here and update and just in general catch up. You know, like I started this year thinking that I'm going to be vlogging more, and I really wanted to. I was really looking forward to it, but
I never ended up doing it.
And it's so like difficult to find myself also. Like it's so difficult to figure out what kind of person I am and what kind of vlogs I want to make. Like, am I like funny? Maybe not. Am I the aesthetic vlogger? Definitely not. So I'm just like, I need to find a middle ground, and then I think wanting to find a middle ground kind of put so much pressure on me. I'm just like, you know what, never mind. And with my job also, I just didn't get any time to start and finish vlogs. I did record a lot of things, so let's catch up what has happened in the last 3 months. And today, since the morning also, it is 12:18 and we plan on going for coffee to this really nice place. So I thought आज vlog करते हैं, आज vlog करके try करने की कोशिश करते हैं क्या होता है. So I was in India for like 3 months. I came back just before New Year's. Spent the New Year's here. Then I think let's just work on and off. Then in the middle, I tried to do something very adventurous because I got a campaign with SEAT, and I don't know why, but I just, you know what, I'm just going to include the clips here. Honda City लाते पापा.
हेलो, गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रॉम न्यू दिल्ली. बहुत ही इम्प्रॉम्प्टू प्लान था ये, पता नहीं क्यों मैं आ गई हूँ अचानक से. कल टिकट बुक करके सीधा मुंह उठा के अननेसेसरली, बट योलो इज द से हेलो टू माय फादर एंड माय स्टूपिड लिटिल सिस्टर. एंड हम जा रहे हैं भटिंडा. एंड दिस इज रियली फनी बिकॉज छोटी ने मेरा नाम निकनेम भटिंडा रखा था, फ्रॉम वृंदा भटिंडा एंड देन भटिंड एंड देन नाउ टू भट्टे. सो इट्स what goes around comes around basically. Yeah, so let me brief you on what the plan was and how it is going. तो हमें कल 12 बजे एक कैंपेन का ईमेल आया from SEAT and we were like, okay, it's a good collaboration. उनका था कि you have to drive to Bhatinda, shoot in the store for 2 hours and then drive back, and then post the content on by the 7th because of Women's Day. And मैं obviously Dubai में थी, so we decided that I will leave the night of 5th of March, reach Delhi early morning 6th, leave for Bhatinda soon after reaching, and reach Bhatinda, shoot for 2 hours, come back to Delhi, catch a flight back to Dubai. Hectic, definitely, because मैं already काफ़ी थक चुकी हूँ because मैं रात को सोई नहीं हूँ and अभी जाके 2 घंटे शूट भी करना है. But I came because time to earn some money. Why do I say so much? Am I Om? Am I a sadhu?
Yeah, so that happened. Oh wait, Srinagar भी तो गए थे. We went to Srinagar in Jan. Then I went to Himachal for a campaign with Make My Trip, which was absolutely amazing. Very very proud of what we did. उन्होंने को असम मिला था और मेरे को हिमाचल प्रदेश मिला था. And yeah, that was basically like a short recap of the last 3 months, and work kind of sucks and so does my mental health. Other than that, I woke up in the morning, laid my bed, made some tea, also had a smoothie because I was so hungry, and it's like 12 o'clock. I woke up at 11:30. That's how you know it's a weekend. And yeah, that's it. I guess let's start getting ready now. I thought I'll just get ready in front of you guys and, you know, we can talk about our feelings. And a lot of you wanted to know what my makeup routine was, so I thought maybe this will be a good excuse to show you how skilled I am. Step number 1, look like crap. Check. Okay, abhi I'm just doing my skincare. Oh, also I like bought all my skincare after like 6 months because मेरा सामान ख़त्म हो गया था 3 महीने में इंडिया में थी. And I was like, It's pretty much the same, nothing has changed. I don't know if you guys have seen my skincare video. I was so awkward filming it, I just made it into a vlog. Anyway, so I'm using hyaluronic acid. I saw on TikTok that you're supposed to use this when your skin is a little damp, so over your toner ideally. And I know TikTok should not be my dermatologist, but like this is where we are now. Let's catch up. What else has been going on? We met our favorite bloggers ever, Gypsy Lust and View Travel.
And we are here with Jack Morris and Lauren, you know, Gypsy Lust and View Travel. I'm so nervous to take them in the vlog, like I can't even, I don't want to be too cheap. मेरे को बहुत अजीब लग रहा है.
I am actually on first name basis with both of them, so I mean, now I have put squalene oil, 100% plant derived squalene oil by Ordinary. I stay in Dubai, so मतलब मेरे को order करने में इसको कुछ ज़्यादा problem नहीं होती. I order it from Look Fantastic. Takes a while to get delivered, but I mean it's okay. India में I'm not sure what website delivers The Ordinary. I've heard of, I think, Cult Beauty that does that. I don't know, not sure. But please don't order off of Amazon because वहाँ पे fake सामान बहुत मिलता है. You don't want to put fake things on your face. I got this moisturizer. This is Ultra Repair Face Moisturizer. Also something I have been seeing on TikTok, especially because of this guy called Skincare by Hiram. Obviously, this much cream is not enough for my dry freaking face, so I'm putting more. Oh shit, sunscreen. No matter what I forget, I never forget sunscreen. Like sunscreen is Neutrogena, I love you. You are the best. This one doesn't dry out my face or make it look white. Also, आज मैं full-fledged makeup नहीं कर रही because I don't think, or maybe no, I just don't have the energy for it. Most of the time, I just go out like this, like looking like this, because I never have the energy to do makeup or like, you know, invest time in myself. So I mean, like, it's a good excuse to do this because like at least then, you know, I'm doing something for myself for a change. This is my makeup. This is all my makeup. So I'll just quickly tell you what all I use, okay? Number 1, makeup brushes. So these are my makeup brushes. These are my makeup brushes. This one I use for everything. And these, no. These, okay, I have 4 makeup brushes. This one I got from somewhere from, I think, Sephora. दिख ही नहीं रहा था. Anyway, this is like from Sephora because I thought maybe I'll buy eyeshadow someday. Maybe I'll do makeup someday. This has not been used. These two I use quite religiously, especially this one because I put color corrector on my really dark eyes. Also, I get like, I don't get hate, but I just get concern disguised as hate for my dark circles, and I'm like, but why though? Like, it's like I can't really do anything about them. For the longest time I did try to like get rid of them because I was so conscious about, oh my god, I have dark circles, oh my god, I look so ugly, and like that was basically my entire school life. I tried lemon juice, tomato juice, even putting, you know, slices of aloo on my eyes because apparently that does something to discoloration, but it didn't work because these are genetic and you can't change your genes, right? Now I'm just like okay with it. I'm like, you know what, they're there to stay, so whatever. This is my color corrector palette which I got only for the orange shade, which I have completely exhausted now, and this is clearly expired. I don't know why I'm not going out and buying this again. Basically, when I'm doing makeup, my aim is to spend the least amount of time and least amount of technicality, and I'm fine with it. Okay, anyway, let's get on to makeup. Oh, this is also really cool because like you just punch it from the back, it's like a pen, and then the concealer comes out. It's really cute. Do you see how bloody dark my eyelids are? Like,
It's fine, dear.
Also, I suggest you not follow what I'm doing because I am, as I mentioned in the start of this part of the video, I'm very skilled at this, okay? So like, it's better if you don't really follow me. This is what it is. Still hasn't been able to hide my dark circles. So this I do when, like, in general, when I don't want to look as bad as I look all the time. This is fine, I think. This is okay, not bad. Then I use the setting powder because obviously I don't want this to crease. That's something I've learned also through TikTok. Fine. There's just like one more step that I do, which is I've learned this from my mom because she used to put like lipstick on her cheeks all the time. So this lipstick my nanny got from the US. I don't know why she decided to pick this color. I mean, it's not bad. Like, it's okay. I look fine. We can go with this. Oh, you know how they do. Watch this, y'all. It's my hidden talent. You want me to do? I was supposed to show you guys at home what I was wearing and everything, but guess that's not happening. पहुंच चुके हम, the sum of us, and very excited to eat and have coffee because सुबह से coffee नहीं पिए and I am dying. यहाँ पे सना के साथ आई हूँ because we are the only two loners who don't have a life. On to cafe number 2. I don't know where this vlog is headed, but let's see क्या करते हैं हम आज.
It's a cafe day.
Yeah, it's a cafe day because एक ही दिन मिलता है जब Dubai is like kind of chilled out, which is a Friday. Fridays are like Sundays here, you know, क्योंकि Saturday again things pick up and everyone starts to work, so it's kind of weird. And हमारे घर में ये लोग चले जाते हैं ऑफिस because Ananya is ruthless and makes everyone work on a Saturday. Basically. And Subir is just working anyway every day. So every day. And
Friday is also working.
Yeah, and then I start to feel कि oh shit, मैं क्यों नहीं काम कर रही? So it's very weird. Like it's a weird vibe. Saturday is a weird vibe. So Fridays are
Friday is a Saturday, Friday and Friday is a Sunday.
Yeah, exactly. There is a 30-minute waiting for where we want to go. So हम बस ऐसी randomly चले जा रहे हैं. And we're just, you know, wondering, this place is like so nice, and yeah, I think there are apartments here which look so fancy and luxurious. So you're just wondering, Dubai is a nice place to live if you have the money. This place is so cute. I don't know why we haven't come here before. I look extremely ugly, but we're going to fix this in editing. This is what we've ordered. The first thing, it's infused water. It just tastes like watered down watermelon juice. But it's quite fancy. And if something looks nice, I'm just like, I'm sold, like whatever. I know I should have just done makeup properly. Kafi aesthetic jagah hai. Or just gotten my shades or something. I'm an idiot. I'm never prepared for these things. भाई तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. Sana ordered waffles and chicken. I ordered a Beyond Burger. Hello, it is currently 6:37. I have come to IKEA with Ria and Ishu, no new friends. And I'm actually using Ria's GoPro to take the vlog. And it doesn't seem awkward to record in front of people at all because GoPro है. We are going to IKEA. Hopefully मेरी नियत नहीं, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, नियत नहीं खराब, डगमगाएगी. नियत मेरी डगमगाएगी नहीं, whatever. Because every time I go to IKEA, I just end up buying something that I don't need. IKEA इन लोगों ने ऐसे डिज़ाइन भी ऐसे किया है that you know you enter to get lost. There's nowhere to exit, so you just go from one section to another and then you just end up buying something. So my aim for the day is to exit IKEA with nothing. Let's see how it goes. I think the trick is to just question yourself when you see something nice. Do you really need it? Like, will you die if you don't have it? And the answer is always no.
A few moments later.
Okay, 20 minutes into IKEA and so far so good. I have not picked up even one thing. My god, this is my favorite section ever. This will be the real test now. Wish me luck. Okay, we have passed that section and I have passed with flying colors. I can do anything in life now. I just realized I never recorded an outro and I didn't say bye to you guys. So this is me editing after not after a long time actually. ये मैंने last week ही record किया था. So good going, Brins. See you in the next vlog. Make sure you like, share and subscribe because that will motivate me to make more such videos for you guys. I mean अगर अच्छा लगा तो